Recognising that there's not always a convenient power socket close to every pressure cleaning task, Spitwater produces a range of diesel and petrol powered units that can be used anywhere. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The range includes a family of engine-powered, belt-driven, slow-speed cold water pressure cleaners that are ideally suited to outdoor cleaning. The top-of-the-range model, HP 251A, is powered by a 13-horsepower Honda industrial petrol engine coupled to a slow-speed Italian-made Interpump brass head pump. Now, the engine and the pump crankshafts are linked using Spitwater's own OzTough toothed flexible rubber belt, which provides a rugged and reliable transmission that reduces stresses on both units. The pump features solid ceramic pump pistons that are both self-lubricating and wear-resistant, providing reliable 15 litre per minute water flow whenever and wherever that's needed. Designed and built in Australia for Australian conditions, these rugged pressure cleaners also include a water cooling tank to stop the pump from overheating and 4 large pneumatic wheels to aid manoeuvrability. And there's the peace of mind of a 3-year Australia-wide warranty on the Honda engine. Should find out more from spitwater.com.au or call them Spitwater 1800 172 005.